Anytime I get a brand new phone and I need to protect the screen, AmFilm's tempered glass is definitely one that I go to first. I've been using them for years. They're very easy to install. They have a 9/8 hardness, they're scratch resistant, and they're very affordable. And in this video, we're going to be testing out the tempered glass screen protector for the brand new Galaxy S24 Plus. And make sure you stick around until the end of the video because I will be doing a scratch and a drop test to see how durable the screen protector is and whether or not it's worth your time. And if you guys want to pick it up, I will be putting product links in the video description. So let's get started. So here we get 2 tempered glass screen protectors, 2 tempered glass rear protectors, 2 dust stickers, and an installation packet. Now, as always, before you do any of your tempered glass screen protector installations, just make sure you thoroughly clean off the screen with an alcohol wipe and then dry it off really good. And you can also use your dust stickers to remove any dust. Then take one of your screen protectors, making sure that the top goes towards the camera on your phone. We're going to peel off the underside protector. And then just place this over the top of your phone, just like this, and press it into place. Once you've done that, just run your finger down the middle. And then we're going to lift up on the guide. And there it is, a perfect installation. I don't see any bubbles on the screen. Looks really nice. It does have a little cutout for your camera on the front, and it also does look like there's a slight gap all the way around the phone for case compatibility. The edges on the screen are also rounded off so it feels nice and smooth. As far as fingerprints goes, it does seem to pick up some fingerprints on the screen, but you can very easily wipe those away with minimal effort. The screen is also super smooth, just like the glass that's on the phone. Now let's test out our fingerprints. Fingerprints also seem to be working pretty good. Let's test them out on the phone now. Perfect. Very quick. Very responsive. Yes, working perfectly. Let's try with our other thumb. Working just fine. So fingerprint sensor works beautifully with this screen protector. As you can see, the screen protector is also crystal clear. Let's also test it out with one of our cases. As far as I can tell, the screen protector comes right up to the edge of this case. I don't see any lifting. No issues there, so it should be case compatible with most cases. Now let's simulate what the screen protector would look like when you're using polarized sunglasses. So as you can see, there is a slight rainbow effect. It's not horrible, I don't think. It's definitely not going to keep me from using the screen protector, but that's what it's going to look like if you're using polarized sunglasses. So now let's install the rear camera protectors. So again, you want to make sure you clean off your lenses really well. You don't want anything stuck underneath. Then dry them off. Then take one of your camera lens protectors. It doesn't matter which way you put it because it's all the same. Peel it off the back and then place it over your camera lenses. And just press it into place, wipe it off, and you're all set. As you can see, it looks pretty good on the phone, and it would also work with pretty much any case that's going to have this big cutout here. And that's what your rear camera looks like. Everything looks pretty clear to me. I don't see any issues, so I don't think you're going to have any problems with the rear camera lens protector. So everything's looking good so far. Now let's move on to the scratch and the drop test. So we're going to be dropping a 2.4 ounce steel metal ball at a starting height of 2 feet. If the screen protector does not crack, we'll move it up foot by foot until it eventually does. So here we go at 2 feet. Here we go at 3 feet. Here we go at 4 feet. Here we go at 5 feet. Here we go at 6 feet. 7 feet. 8 feet. Holy cow. Here we go at 8.5 feet. This is the highest I can go. Wow, look at that. So it didn't crack, but it made like this little mark on the screen protector. And that's why AmFilm's my go-to screen protector. As you can see, an 8.5 foot drop did not crack the screen protector. It only made like this little mark on the top, and you can't even feel it when you run your finger over it. That is incredible. Most other screen protectors that I will be testing out, you'll see that won't even come close to 8.5 feet. So now let's move on to the scratch test. Now typically tempered glass starts to scratch around a Mohs hardness number 6, so we're going to start off with the number 5. Then we'll move on to a number 6, and then finally a number 7. So if we take a closer look, you can see there are no scratches at the number 5. There are very slight at a number 6 and a little deeper at a number 7. So scratch resistance seems to be a little bit better than regular tempered glass. And as you'll see in my other videos, other tempered glass will scratch much worse at the number 6. So installation for the screen protector was super easy, and as you saw, it does work really well with the in-display fingerprint sensor. It also does seem to be case friendly. Drop protection is excellent at 8.5 feet, and scratch resistance also does seem to be a little bit better than regular tempered glass. Now let's move on to the scratch resistance of the rear tempered glass camera protector. So again, we're going to start off with a number 5, then we'll move on to a number 6, and then finally a number 7. And if we take a closer look, we can see that there are no scratches at the number 5. There are a little deeper at a number 6 and a little deeper than that at a number 7. So scratch resistance for the rear tempered glass camera protector seems to be pretty standard for tempered glass. So that is pretty much it for the AmFilm tempered glass screen protector for the brand new Galaxy S24 Plus. And as you saw, it's going to be really good for drop protection and scratch protection to protect the screen of your brand new phone. Now, if you guys want to pick this up, I will be putting product links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.